Same thing. I can actually. I feel like just everything just. You look better now, man. You look good. Yeah. Oh man, it feels good. That's just the neck. All right, I'm ready, man.
Deep breath in and out.
It feels different. I felt it right here. And then feels good. It's like you go blind for like a second and then it just goes back clear. I was like, you're just so nervous, right? You become so nervous when something happen. You go blind and then, oh, you're good, great.
Deep breath in and out.
I don't know where to fall. Six foot three, right? I'm 6'3" now. I walked in here 6'2". I'm 6'3" now. I'm considered an athlete now, right? I could try out for a sports team. Oh my God, it feels freaking amazing. So I had a pinch here 2 days ago, and I had like this massive strain. It went away. Instantaneously, it went away. Doc, fantastic, man. Fantastic. You gotta multiply yourself, Doc. This is business, man. Oh, it's beautiful. You saved my neck, man. That's beautiful. I'm 240 pounds. You pull a 240-pound man across the whole table. That's ridiculous. I see you, man. I see you be working out. Oh, it feels great. It feels amazing, man. Beautiful.